Maya, and please excuse that my throat is acting out because of cold. But if you guys are new to this channel, I'm Maya. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button so that way you see the new videos I post once a week. And this video, I'm about to do a night routine, and since sadly I got back to school for spring semester, and I cannot be more excited because I became an office skill as a career training. So it was really nervous to do working and training for classes, and got a little excited because I just moved to new campus in community college. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started with my routine. Okay, so the first thing is I have to exercise for every Tuesday and Thursday for about 20 minutes per day. And after workout, I have to do some homework, which is an online class. After I finish the homework, I have to check the social media on my phone, and then I watch some other YouTube videos.
That's horrible. Guys, I gotta come clean. Why did that happen? No. Oh my god! Oh, it's like rope. She ain't keeping out of that. This is why you can't have nice things. You gotta just...
Before I take a shower, I had to lay the PJs. Well, since I can't wear a shower cap because I have big braids, so I'm gonna have to use a plastic bag so it helps me protect my braid hair. After I played the squishy toy, I had to brush my teeth, floss, and of course, mouthwashing. Don't worry, I didn't floss it in the video. Okay, after I finished brushing my teeth, I had to lay my clothes before in the morning. I picked blue jeans, blue and black bra, and of course some Sushi Coleman fighting sweatshirt. After I packed and put a hair scarf on, I had to read a book, which is on iPad. Instead, I had to read a regular book on my bookshelf. That's cool, right? Well, I wish you all the best of luck for your school semester. Well, I hope you have a good year and a great day. And good night and sweet dreams. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, and as always, do not forget to hit the subscribe button with the bell on so that when you see new videos. Also, feel free to comment down below what video I do next time. And I hope I'll see y'all soon in the next video. You guys have an amazing day. I love y'all, and bye.